very, very long time since I have been on the camera. Anyway, it's been a very long time since I've been on the camera. Hopefully everything is working correctly as far as technical things go. And for those of you who do not know me, my name is Lindsay. I am the creator and maker behind Simply Serving Handcrafts on Etsy, and obviously of this YouTube channel. You can find me on Instagram as Simply Serving HK and on Etsy as simplyserving.etsy.com. And I primarily make little polymer clay charms, though I do occasionally venture into other mediums such as stitch marker necklaces, just whatever I'm feeling, rubber stamps. I carry some scissors, and you can find all of that information in my Etsy shop and on my Instagram feed. I thought it would be really fun to do sort of a Vlogmas, Marchmas, I don't know. Things have just been kind of stressful, and I'm not going to talk about that on the vlog. I thought it would be just fun to kind of take you along with us. Our kids are going to be home for at least 2 weeks, and we will be doing some homeschooling, which is exciting. I actually wanted to homeschool our children when my oldest was a baby, and then we ended up deciding to send them to public school. But I'm enjoying the idea of taking them out in nature and having some of our lessons out there. My husband and I both work in the home, so staying indoors is not a big deal for us, but we are trying to prepare to have things to do, some games, and the boys have, my husband and our son, there's some new games that are coming out soon for them to play on their consoles, and my daughter loves to paint, so that's just some things that we have in mind. And then of course I have all the knitting. I have a new pattern that is going to be coming out hopefully soon, probably sooner than I planned now, and of course I have my business that I am going to be working on during all of that. So I thought I would take you guys along with me. I'm going to try to do a daily vlog, sort of like Vlogmas and Vlogtober, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I hope that all of you are well and staying calm and staying safe and doing lots of knitting and crafting, and hopefully you enjoy seeing what I have going on over here too.
Fox is coming to grasslands
Independently
rather than from packs being
omnivore. Good job, that was really close. That means that they eat plants and animals.
They hunt animals smaller than themselves and often slick.
Siri and I are doing some knitting before we go over to my mother-in-law's. She's just a couple streets over. We're gonna have a little pie party. Yesterday was National Day of Pie, apparently, and my mother-in-law thought it would be fun for all of us to get together and have some Marie Calendar pies. So I'm going to do that. It is a gathering of less than 100 people, so we'll be fine. We are headed out the door. The dishes still aren't done. I'm gonna try to keep it from your view, but and we have a Marie Calendar chocolate silk pie. And then I also got together some goodies for my sister-in-law because she likes bees, and I did a lot of bee things in the past couple weeks, so yay! Going. They are. Pretty babies. Hello. Yes, you're so pretty. Don't fling it at Kate.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Okay, just put your boot back on.
And as the light started our
Thanks, buddy.
eyes, we let
Good
go
brother.
of disguise.
Oh, big jump. You okay?
And now there's something in